looked to me like it was 5-inch. So it wouldn't go over worth shit. I did manage to scratch it. Ah, fuck off and quit dripping, you son of a bitch.
All done at the exhaust shop. Sorry I didn't talk at all. I just wanted to film the work that was happening while I was in there, so it was nice of them to let me do that. So yeah, I got the new tip on. It looks great, a lot better than the one that was on there, so I'm pretty happy about that. There wasn't anything wrong with the one that was on there, I just wanted one a little bit bigger. So yeah, another thing done to the diesel. She's running pretty good. Really happy with it. Got the double din working. So yeah guys, thank you all for watching. Please leave a thumbs up for the cool new exhaust tip. Lots still to happen with this truck. It's nowhere near close to being done with the build, and I still do have work happening on that truck as well. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and you guys have a good day.